Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to launch a course of Tajweed-ul-Quran for our English community. This is an effort to learn, preach, teach and spread the message of the Holy Quran. Since learning of the Quran is based on the correct reading and recitation of the Quran, this course is going to help everyone to learn Tajweed principles in easy and practical way. This is the biggest challenge, especially to the Ajam people, to pronunciate Quranic words correctly and recite those. This course offers all the tools for the learners to improve their recitation and reading of the Holy Quran. And it makes the biggest difference while we are offering prayer, either you are reciting the Holy Quran correctly or not. More than 90% of us are unable to recite the Holy Quran, even ta'awuz and tasmiyah, correctly. For example, when we recite A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, people generally recite mistakenly, incorrect, they recite A'udhu, A'udhu. There is hell of difference between A sound and Ain sound, A, Ain. A'udhu, Zu sound and Zu sound. Biggest difference. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Ta and Ta. Different sound. Altogether different sound. Tasmiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rahma, Rahma, Ha, Rahma, Ha. Clear difference between Ha sound and Ha sound. So Tajweed is that. It teaches you to accurately pronunciate and recite your Holy Quran so that it could help you for Salah recitation. Surah Al-Fatiha, we made 90% of the people made the same mistakes. We recite the Surah Fatiha and rest of the surahs which generally people recite, the small surahs of the Holy Quran from the later portion of Juz 30, Surah Nas, Surah Falaq, Surah Al-Ikhlas and other surahs till Surah Zilzal, including Surah Fatiha. So we generally recite those in majhul manner. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, ha, hu, ha, ha, difference. Ta, tha, difference. Sin, tha, difference. Qaf, ka, difference. Qul a'udhu, Kul a'udhu. Kul means eat. Kul, say something. So clear difference between ka, ka. So people from our community, they even pass 50, 60, 70 years old. Still they are unable to recite the Holy Quran, at least the smaller surahs, for their salah. So this is the biggest challenge. This is alarming situation for all of us. So this course actually we have developed for every learner. In any age we can learn. In any age we can learn. So this course offers several tools to the learners for the improvement of their reading and recitation of the Holy Quran. For example, in this course we shall learn Ilm al-Tajweed and its principles. Number 2, pronunciation and articulation of the Arabic alphabets and all the letters and the words. And number 3, identifying the different styles of qira'ah. Number 4, adopting the different kinds of qira'ah. Saba Ashra. We shall learn how to value the Tajweed principles by presenting it on any forum, in-person forum or online forums, that we have learned something special, since this is lifelong learning. By then, I would request every one of you, please response to are these questions which are on your screen before the next session, so we can improve the standards of our course. And number two, we can bring the changes in our course including according to your needs. So these are the questions on your screen. Number one, have you studied any time Tajweed in your life? If yes, please share your experience. If not, please tell us what thing have motivated you to include yourself in this course. Number two, what do you hope to learn in this course and what you are aiming for in the future? Number three, how you will use this learning in your future, in your life. And number four, the utmost request to every one of you in the beginning, please record your video or record your voice in audio form, reciting any smaller surah, for example, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Falaq, Surah Nas, Surah Zilzal, Surah Al-Fatiha, as per your convenience. Please do recite at your best. Record these four things, three questions and this recitation, and send us on this WhatsApp number on your screen, 0332 8421 Please, number again, 0332 8421 Send us these responses before the next session in this week. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah wa ma alayna illa al-balaghul mubin.